Now, let's also preview some ways of using SQL in pSQL, and along the way, just get a refresher on how to use SQL. Let's go back to pSQL here, and let's connect to our database example. As we saw when we listed the database table as an example, it has a table called Table 1. Table 1. So Table 1 has columns ID and description. Let's go ahead and start inserting some rows. So we can type in insert into Table 1, and then we can pass in the names of our columns, ID and description. Let's go ahead and do that here. We can type in the keyword values and then pass in our row attribute ID equaling to 1. And description, we could just say this is a thing. Again, semicolon to end every statement. And how do we now preview all the rows within this table? We do that with the select statement, right? So select star from table 1. Great. We can also filter on that. Select star from table 1 where ID is equal to 1. It only gives us back that row. And if we type in where ID equal to 2, it gives us nothing. This is exactly what we would expect. So go ahead and play around using SQL within pSQL, both to reflex your SQL muscles and to get familiar with the pSQL program. Here are some example commands that you can start playing around with now.